Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the light on a Whirlpool refrigerator. This works for several other brands. Yeah, bachelor fridge. No, this is fridge in my townhouse. Twisted! Everybody needs some Voodoo chips and some Pepsi that I don't drink. Show you the fridge. It's a WRS 325 FDAM02, a Whirlpool. And right up here is a light. Now you can see the light doesn't work in either one. The switch works because it resets the water filter. So normally it is the light in the top of the refrigerator section. You also have one right there, and then you have one right there, but this is the main one with the control board, so start with this one first. So grab yourself a flat blade screwdriver. I like the one with the smaller tip. It's going to be hard to do this and show you, but take your screwdriver and push it right up on the corner here. You can slide it in there and then pry down just by turning the screwdriver sideways. See that little tab? Pull it down. Wow. There's not even a light in here. They took it out. Oh my gosh. You saw it here live but recorded. I didn't even take this out yet. I didn't do anything. I thought there was still a light in there. So that I would be safe to say is a problem, unless it's the same on all of them. That's a true Sabbath mode. It'll never light up. So I got this set here, but this is all 3 lights in case I needed them. They weren't that much more. Of course, you guessed it, I got them on Amazon. This one right here has the 2 connections, here and here. So this is the one we need. You should be able to tell which goes where because that one is a lot bigger than that one. It's pretty self-explanatory which side they go in. Look at that. So that was it. The one down there works, one up here works, and the freezer works. So that's your main control board. I guess, I'm assuming they took it out to get a replacement and just never put it back. So then you just line up your tabs. Snap it up in there. Let me see. Does it actually shut off? It's always on. Success. So that's it, guys. If you ever open your fridge and any of these lights are blinking, or your freezer light is blinking, then it's this light right here. This is the main circuit board, and the power goes to here, and then it controls all these. A quick way that I figured out to eliminate the switch is by seeing your water filter status light go off and on. That means the switch is working because it's killing power to that light. So if your lights aren't working, but this light is working and your switch kills it and brings it back, it's not your switch. It's your main board there, probably. It could be other things, wiring and such. That's an easy way to take care of it. So if you got something out of this, do me a favor, guys. Hit that like button down below, way down here. And then subscribe, leave comments. If you got a different solution to this that it could be, leave a comment. It can help other viewers. My problem was obviously the light. It was missing. Didn't expect that. Go down below. I got the link to this light. This works for various other brands of refrigerator. I will leave the part number to this light and then those lights down below. And I'll also leave a link to the kit that I bought off of Amazon if you're interested. Easy follow link. It'll take you right to this set of lights. I think I paid 28 bucks, 30 bucks, something like that. Go get yourself a light up your refrigerator, because you want to be able to see if you got any twisted tea or any voodoo chips or various amounts of condiments. I mean, how are you going to know what to put on your sandwich if you can't see it? Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one.